Hey, my name is Desiree, and on this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business and stay in that top spot on Google. You've got 2 really good competitors coming up to try to take over that top spot who probably make it there within the next couple months. So I want to just show you what we can do. So you're probably sitting there thinking, hey, why am I taking my time out to do this and what's in it for me? So I know a lot of business owners are just focusing on running their business and are too busy focusing on that and not really knowing the ways that they can look at the internet to benefit them and their company. So sometimes the only hesitation that they have in hiring someone is they don't really know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people a free, easy attack plan, they either can implement those things themselves and it benefits their business, or a lot of people just reach out and say, hey, can you do this for me? And I'm happy to do that as well. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve, shoot me a message. I'm happy to chat with you. Or you can just take this easy attack plan and implement those changes yourself. So let me show you 3 things that you can do to help keep yourself in that top spot and keep outranking those competitors. So first of all, this is your website. I have already pulled it up and been looking over it. So you guys have some really great graphic design and you have a lot of great content. However, what you really need on your homepage is about 1,500 words with keyword-rich content. With those buyer intent words, that means that those are the words that people are searching for every month in Google to intend to buy your product. So your top 2 competitors here, you've got Superior Sun Solutions. They're in the number 2 spot coming up for you, and then All Pro Shade Concepts. You guys have a lot of great content, but you have this is a tool called SEO Quake. It's free to add to your Google Chrome extensions. You have only about 961 words right now, and these are the top keywords that you're being ranked for. So you're missing out on a lot of the keywords that buyers are actually searching for. But if you go over here to Superior Sun Solutions, you're going to pull up their page here in SEO Quake. And you'll see that they have just over 1,700 words. And they have a few more of those buyer intent keywords. They're getting more requests each month based on that. So can quickly come up into that top spot that you guys already have. Same with All Pro Shade Solutions. They are getting some really great keywords here. They have 2,300 words. They're getting quite a lot of traffic with those keywords. And if you go into this software here, this is called Ahrefs. It's about $300 a month. These are the keywords that people are searching for every month. They're searching in a volume of 41,000 searches per month for retractable awnings, awnings near me, sunshade, awning company near me, awning installation. These are the keywords that you really want to incorporate. So adding 1,500 keywords to your homepage is really going to draw in those customers and help you keep that top spot in Google. So you're pretty optimized, but you're not fully optimized here. And those 2 competitors are quickly coming up into the ranks and can quickly take over that top spot using those organic searches. So they're ranking and becoming really top hitting. The next thing you see when you're in this search here is ads. So like AAA Sound Control, they're sponsored. Creative Sound, they are being sponsored, as well as Liberty Awning and Shades. Now, a lot of studies actually show that ads are only semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit if those ads are effectively being run. The next thing that we want to take a look at are your citations. So I ran your citations through SEMrush. It can cost a couple $100 a month. There are 79 total business directories that you could potentially be listed in. You're listed in most of them, but there are 10 that need to be fixed and a few that you don't have listings added to. You have 5-star ratings with all of the reviews that you've received in your Google My Business page, which is amazing, and you have a medium online presence. So just a few places you can fix your citations. These are some directories that you could reach out to and have your business listed in to have a better online presence, including like the yellow pages here, the local stack, local pages. You're not present in all. In Telos, you have the wrong address and the wrong phone number, but you are listed in a bunch of these directories, including Being Easy Local on Facebook. You have a great Google business profile. So this is a good thing to just run through and make sure that your company is listed. A couple things here. You want to make sure that your business is listed exactly as it's found in your Google My Business page, exact name, address, and phone number. And that's how you actually get your business listed in the Maps page. You're listed in the #1 spot on the Maps page. You just want to make sure that you're getting all of those citations so that you stay at the top. The next thing you want to look at is your backlinks. This is something that gives your website authority with Google and gets you listed. Simply put, it's called link juice. You can see what you search for. Your site is listed #1 and #2 with your about page. So what that means is sites that are linking back to you. So site A acts as link juice for site B and vice versa. You want to make sure that you're getting relevant links. So you wouldn't really want to go out and be linked to your site from a Pizza Hut since you're not out there selling pizzas for a living. So using SEO Quake again, if you look over here at your website, you can see that you have only 31 total backlinks. That's definitely an area that you want to continue working on over the coming months, especially as your competitors have over 1,000 backlinks. And the more backlinks you have, the higher you're going to be ranked in Google. So that's definitely an area where you can, over the coming months, continue to add backlinks and continue dominating your competition. So they have those links working for them as link juice, and it is definitely something that's beatable over time. To dominate your competitors, you want to have 200 to 300 more backlinks than they do. So again, what we went over in this video is your content. What you really want to see with your content is at least 1,500 words that are keyword rich. To beat your competitors, you want to have more content than they do. So for you, your aim is going to be about 2,500 words to beat the ones who are coming for you in that top spot. You want to have 200 to 300 more citations to beat out the competition by a landslide, and 200 to 300 more backlinks than your competitor does. And that those are relevant sites that are pointing back to you. And if you implement these strategies today, you're going to continue to keep that top spot in Google over time. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, there's a few things you can do. You can take what I showed you in this video and implement those strategies today on your own. Totally cool with that. However, if you do want the most effective route and you want to save yourself time and money, you can reach out to me. My phone number is 602-560-5428. My name is Desiree. Again, my name is Desiree. Number is 602-560-5428. I look forward to hearing from you.